Why the HP OMEN 45L 2025 is the gaming desktop everyone's talking about. Have you felt stuck mid-game when lag or noise ruins the vibe, and your so-called beast of a PC sounds like a jet engine? Frustration replaces fun, leaving you staring at loading screens instead of leaderboards. Drop a yes if you've lived through that nightmare. Now imagine one tower built to silence chaos and unleash total control. Stress piles up when you're gaming, streaming, and multitasking, yet your rig can't keep pace. Rush sessions turn into burnout, and overheating feels like betrayal. Picture smoother frames, faster loads, and cool silence instead. Imagine if power and calm lived together in one system. No extra hassle, no burnout. Just you, locked into performance that doesn't blink. The HP OMEN 45L Gaming Desktop GT22-3060 is designed to end frustration and amplify everything you do. Powered by an Intel Core Ultra 7 265K processor, it delivers AI-optimized performance across gaming, streaming, and creative workloads. Pair that with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 Ti, 16 GB GDDR7, and you're looking at a graphics engine ready for ray-traced 4K or triple-digit frames at 1440p. Backed by 32 GB DDR5 RAM and a 1 TB NVMe Gen4 SSD, you get instant boot times, lightning-fast load screens, and stutter-free multitasking. The patented OMEN Cryo Chamber cooling pulls in fresh air for consistent performance, while the 360mm liquid cooler ensures your CPU stays chill during marathon raids. Want immersion? DTS-X Ultra 3D audio wraps you in cinematic soundscapes. And with Windows 11 Pro plus Microsoft Copilot, you gain smart assistance that keeps focus where it belongs, on winning. One pro streamer said, "I jumped straight into 4K streaming without frame drops. It felt effortless." Bonus tip: unlock OMEN Gaming Hub for hidden system tuning presets built to surprise you. What sets the OMEN 45L apart isn't just numbers, it's lived experience. Analysts say, the cryo chamber is still unmatched for thermal balance in high-wattage systems. Influencers rave, this rig breezes through AAA titles at 1440p with whisper-quiet cooling. Experts highlight, Microsoft Copilot integration changes how users interact. It's futuristic productivity inside a gaming beast. And users? Their stories are glowing. One shared, streaming 4K gameplay felt seamless, zero lag, zero stutter. Another wrote, I render 3D scenes twice as fast now, while my browser, music, and chat all run smoothly. Even small design choices matter. The tempered glass panel turns your setup into a showcase, while the toolless design means future upgrades take minutes. Imagine playing your favorite RPG, the GPU rendering every shadow and ray of light, while the DTS-X Ultra audio swells around you. Then alt-tabbing into a creative suite that feels just as fluid. This isn't just performance, it's freedom. Which feature would transform your sessions most? The cooling system, Copilot integration, or upgrade-ready chassis? Comment below and see how others are upgrading their game nights and workflows. The HP OMEN 45L 2025 is already redefining gaming and creative spaces worldwide. Thousands call it the desktop that finally balances power, cooling, and style. Don't let slow rigs or noisy fans steal your spotlight. Act now and secure this powerhouse. Your games, streams, and projects deserve better. Click today to claim yours and unlock a hidden perk. OMEN Gaming Hub's secret tuning profiles designed to make your setup sharper, faster, and unexpectedly cooler. Ready to level up? Jump in now.